This video will be demonstrating the quartering process after a sample has been provided through the quartermaster process. This will be your individual sample, either QV or QC. So you have your sample you've either taken directly from the truck, in which you can start quartering it down if it's still within temperature. Otherwise, if it's a cold sample, you have to put it in the oven for an hour and heat it back up to temperature so that it's workable. So then, once you have make sure you have all your tools warm. You're going to go ahead and put it on the table. Then you're going to go around and mix this up. Well, once you have your sample thoroughly mixed up, you're going to go ahead and spread it out. And we're going to go ahead and quarter this into 4 quarters. And then you'll have an opposite pie taken from each of the quarters. For your GMM, extraction gradation, and then these opposite quarters will be for your 1 GMB, and that'll be for your other GMB. In this case we have the 4, so we're going to need about 4,850 plus grams for our GMB. We need minimum 1,500 grams for our GMM, and then for extraction gradation in the ignition oven, we're going to need at least 1,500 grams and then 1,500 over that. So we'll start out with the GMM sample. Your carrier. We got a little bit over 1,500 grams, so that'll be our one sample, and then we'll go ahead and do our extraction right away. And those will be placed in the oven and brought to temperature. For your GMBs, so we're going to use opposite quarters, same way. And that's it. So you'll have 2 samples like this. And 2 samples, one each for your GMM and one for your GMP.